Asante Kotoko.
Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko. Alright, welcome back guys to Daily Kotoko'S. So today we'll talk about Coach Kjetil Zachariassen. He stated that as the CAF Champions League is not Asante Kotoko's current level, and he said that the CAF Confederation Cup is the perfect or the fitting level for Asante Kotoko at this moment. Is he right? Is he wrong? We'll talk about that today. Now, following our 3-0 defeat against Etoile du Sahel, Asante Kotoko coach Kjetil Zachariassen has stated that Asante Kotoko's level is not that of the CAF Champions League after they won the first leg 2-0 and lost 3-0 away from home. He stated that the CAF Champions League is not the level for the Porcupines. Now, let's hear what he said. He said, this CAF Confederation Cup is our level at the moment. We are in the CAF Confederation Cup. I think that's the right level for us. That's what he told the Kotoko'S Express app. Then he said, we've got to be realistic. We've got to be realistic because we have only worked together for 3 months. He said this is the level for Asante Kotoko because the new players that the club has purchased have worked with him. They've worked together for only 3 months, which means that they are asking too much from the squad that have only been together for 3 months. And he stated that the CAF Confederation Cup is Asante Kotoko's level. Now, is he right? Could he be right? Could he be wrong? In my opinion, I feel that he might be speaking some amount of truth because he's had just 3 months to put a new team together. I think we have only 2 or 4 or 3 players, old players that featured very well in this CAF Champions League, and it would be a miracle for him to qualify for the group stages. But I think the criticism are coming because he was confident when he was employed. He said that the plan was to win all the games. That's what he said. They asked him, what are your plans, or what do you feel is the target for Asante Kotoko? He said the target was to win all the games, and that is why he's receiving a lot of criticism for the comment he made after the game. A lot of people might have misunderstood what he said because he said the current level for Asante Kotoko is the CAF Confederation Cup, and I feel that he is right. If you're expecting a new coach with a new set of players to perform that much, or you have high expectations for them in Africa, some of them they're playing this is the first time they're playing in Africa. They don't have a lot of experience. Coach Kjetil Zachariassen stated that a lot of players, so most of his players don't have the African experience, and Etoile du Sahel beat them because they don't have a lot of experience, and the home team have a lot of experience, and that was why they won the game. And I agree with him. So it will take a lot of time for this club to build, this squad to build and challenge in Africa very well in the CAF Champions League as a top competition in Africa. But he has said that the CAF Confederation Cup is Asante Kotoko's level. Asante Kotoko will know their opponents in the playoffs CAF Confederation Cup, I think of October 9th. Yeah, I think so, October 9th. And a lot of eyes will be on him because he has stated that this is Asante Kotoko's current level, and they will be expecting him to perform and go far in the competition since he has agreed that this is Asante Kotoko's level, the CAF Confederation Cup. So they will be expecting a lot of people, a lot of fans, the managers, and a lot of critics will be expecting a very wonderful performance from them since he has accepted that this is Asante Kotoko's level. So that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe. I would like to know your thoughts about this topic, so comments below and tell me what you think about the topic. Do you think this is Asante Kotoko's level, the CAF Confederation Cup, or do you think that they are Champions League material? I would like to know your thoughts. Please comment below and tell me what you think about the topic. So don't forget to follow us on our social media, Daily Kotoko, on all our social medias, Kotoko Daily on Twitter, Kotoko Daily on Instagram, and Daily Kotoko on Facebook. That's all for today. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.